how we can integrate Webflow CMS API with our application. So the Webflow provided us with some APIs. As you can see here, there are some APIs like site, collection, items. It also provides the webhook also. So you can read the event and get the data through the webhook. So you can see here in the collection, you can get the collection by using this API. You can get the items of that collection by using this API. As you can see, Webflow has provided the APIs with a multiple language like Shell, Node, Ruby, PHP, and Python. So to get the latest data from the Webflow CMS, you have to integrate these APIs in your application. Likewise, you can add and get the data from the CMS. So this is all about the use case of the Webflow.